Ito po ang isang lugar dito sa Gympie, north of Brisbane dito sa Australia. Itong park na to, sobrang daming ibon, sobrang daming iba't ibang klase ng ibon. May mga pato, may mga swan, may mga ibis, ganun. Si Shanta, nababaliw siya dito kasi animal lover siya. This thing here behind me is a black swan, native Australian animal. Shanta is in love with it. There's a whole island of birds over there behind me, and another one over there. Bloody hell. Black swans everywhere. Grabe, paraiso dito. Hali, pasaway. Pasaway ka. So what do you think of this place, Shanta?
It's nice.
Ano?
It's mostly in duruhan.
Parang paraiso, no?
Yeah, and I like it.
Malinis, mahangin, mabango. Let's go for a walk, Shanta.
Okay. Ang tawag niya ito.
Bebe, sige na, let's go. Gusto ka, Shanta, iwanan ka namin dito? Yan ang maganda sa Australia. Ang mga ibon dito hindi kinakain or binabaril. Diba, Shanta? Buhay pa sila, malaya lang, masaya. Daming wildlife sa Australia. Yan ang astig dito. Mas marami ang hayop kaysa sa tao ata.
Hey, can I borrow your camera?
Okay.
Oh.
Why?
Wait lang.
Oh, black swans.
Oh, duck. Oh, wala. This. Oh my gosh, the ibis are coming.
Yep.
Oh, there's very
Oh, there's 3 behind you coming over as well.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh, Shanta.
It's like Jurassic Park. It's gonna follow me. Are they following me?
Sure. Lalagot ka na, Shanta.
Wait, I'm gonna throw this.
Takbo. Takbo ka dun eh. Wala ka, Shanta.
It's on.
Here I am chilling with my mate, the black swan. Oh, you bit me finger. There you go, mate. There you go.
Magtagalog ka.
Oh. They bit my hand off, you mongrel. You want that one? You want that one? Yeah? There you go. Lots of them, aren't there?
Where are they heading?
Don't be scared of them. They're hungry.
Yeah, they're very hungry. Why are you so hungry?
They're very hungry. Very hungry swans.
Hello, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they want more. Oh.
Let's get a selfie, swans. Let's get a selfie. Oh.
They're going to get the bag.
Uh-oh. They're gonna steal the bag of bread. I'll do that.
Oh my gosh, they're there.
Yeah, get them to come up here. Have them in the middle. You want that one?
They're scared.
Oh. Keep biting my hand, you mongrels. Oh, he's got the bag. Don't bite my head.
Look at that swan. Give him.
Want one? Oh. There he goes. These are baby black swans, Shanta.
Oh, they're babies.
Yeah.
They're so mahusay.
That's one. Who wants it? You want it? There you go.
Bye-bye, Swan. I'm supposed to pet you.
Bye-bye. You can pet him.
No, I'm scared.
You can pet him. Look. Come on, Echa. Oh, he's scared.
It chased me! It wanted more food and it chased us.
Itong lugar na to ay nasa Gympie, Australia. Kahit saan park dito sa Australia, daming wildlife. So, hindi importante kung punta kayo dito sa park, sa mismong park na to, na nasa Gympie or nasa Brisbane, kahit saan, daming hayop. Right everybody, ito po ang katapusan ng vlog namin ngayong araw. Hali, di ba? Ito ba ang katapusan ng vlog natin ngayong araw?
Opo.
Ang galing mong Tagalog si Hali.
Salamat sa panonood.
Salamat sa panonood.
Salamat.
Yes,
Say it again.
that's right, ma'am. You got it. Go, Hali.
Salamat. Wait, what was it?
Panonood.
Salamat. Sa panonood. Again, say it.
Salamat sa panonood.
Salamat sa panonood.
Nude? Nude? You're nude? You're running around the nude, are ya?
Salamat sa panonood.
Yeah! Galing! Palakpakan po natin.
Alright.
Jack say, kita kids.
Baklaka.
Wow, galing sumagot. Alright guys, kita kids sa sunod.